ma'am, as an industry expert, what would you expect from a fresh grad?
Okay, so myself, Dr. Priyanka Priyadarshini. So I am heading the research and development of the Panacea Biotech, and Panacea Biotech is an vaccine manufacturing company, and it's been established in 1984. And we actually do research on various aspects of vaccine manufacturing and production, and also commercialization of the vaccine. So when I visited your institute, the University of Information Technology, I found like the students with MSc and Tech, they were really been brilliant, and I had a nice interaction with them. As an industry expert, I would like to suggest that you need to understand what is the need of the industry, and what you have been taught. So in your curriculum, so how you can translate that particular knowledge into the technology. So I will give an example for in the biotech field. So now there have been a lot of advancements going on with the medical drug discovery, medical devices, and also the drug delivery system formulation. So whatever you have been taught in your curriculum, you need to understand how you can translate into the particular technology and how it can be applied, and it can help in the advancement of the healthcare management.
Ma'am, what are the key challenges that you face working with graduates?
Yes, so what I think usually the students they focus on the curriculum, on the exams, and they just read in the prospective how to secure good marks. So where that is also important for any student career, but they need to understand the hands-on experience, the practical what you have been taught. So you need to understand that why you are doing the particular steps, and what logically, what should be the conclusion. So what the challenges we face, when we interview or hire new people, so we need to train them for few years, or 1 to 2 years, to understand, to get a hands-on experience. But your institute, infrastructure-wise, it is very well developed, and I can see that in the curriculum you have read almost three things what is required, but you just need to focus more on the practical aspect. So that is the difficulty what we face, and while you are doing the industrial training in your curriculum in the last semester, I will encourage if students can go out and just get an exposure that time. So that will really help, because while they will enter into the campus hiring, or anywhere they are going for outsource side for any interview, so they will feel more confident about it.
And how was your overall experience in JUIT?
So I have been very impressed, because in this part of India, with Himachal Pradesh, this is the very top-notch institute what has been established over here. So if I will see the infrastructure wise, it has been very well developed for the information technology as well as for the biotechnology, and academics curriculums are also up to the mark. And I found the students the kind of environment what has been given by the administration or by the authority of this institute. So that is very nice, because you are all hostel facilities, and here the weather is so nice. So that is one more plus point over here. So I find compared to all good research institute, so this is also been one of the top-notch university in India.
Thank you.
Thank you.